The fourth group to present was houses.
Where's the houses, Steve? There we go, okay. So I'm going to follow Mimi's path. I'll give you a little bit of constructive feedback, and then we'll go to all the really great things. I think one of the things that the jury was a little bit challenged by was the actual name. Felt was a clever acronym, but a little bit muddled. I'm not sure that it would really endure as a neighborhood identity. And there was some confusion, I think, on how the parking, did you have an adequate number of spaces, and how was that resolved relative to the overall density that you chosen for the project. And Cuisine Plaza was an interesting idea. On one hand, we really appreciated the fact that you made the gesture of opening the space to Rainier Boulevard so you could see it, but I think we questioned the viability of how a major public plaza could work on such a big thoroughfare. As a team, the presentation was excellent. I think the clarity and command of the information was really outstanding, and I think we all really appreciated what you brought to the table today. The architectural character, as communicated by the renderings, was appropriately rich, very interesting, believable, and I think fresh, and really would set an identity that we were seeking for the project. The resolution of the bus station, transit, intersection, that whole nexus was very thoughtful and appropriately premised on the notion of favoring the pedestrian. I think we were struggling a little bit, will that really work? But it was a bold enough move, and it was a complete enough and thoughtful enough move that it really, I think, we felt positively about it. And I think we appreciated the deep systemic level of thinking that you brought about sustainability. There's a lot, we heard about technical applications, but there's a deeper level in terms of how you were thinking it would be executed, the climate benefit district. Those kind of things were all very positive. Some of the other items, the way that you addressed the big box, dealt with it as a reality. The use of the grades to hide some of the things like parking in the big box. The way you dealt with phasing was all very well received. So thanks for a great effort.
Well, as you can tell, we had four great presentations to us, and the selection at the end was a very difficult one. But we did, in fact, have to make a selection, and I would like to announce now that the team that has won is the University of Michigan team that did houses. Mention a few of the key points that were dispositive for us. One of which was the transit interface we thought we did a great job with. The transit bicycle connectivity, pedestrian connectivity, we thought was extremely important. The grain and fabric of the presentation, the connectivity, as we said, the architectural clarity and character, and finally the financial clarity. We're all terrific. We're here to congratulate the winners, but we're here to congratulate all the winners because you are all winners. You are all finalists in this process. As I said this morning, there were 750-some students that participated, and this is the final group. It is tougher to get into this group than into any graduate program in America. So as far as we're concerned, all of you guys have really done A+ work. We're thrilled with what we've seen, and I know for the rest of the year, you all, as staff, will be talking to next year's winners and saying, just do as well. What I'd like to do now is ask each of the teams to come down. We have a certificate for each of the winners. You are all winners in this case, all of you. So I'm going to ask you to come down. Patrick and I